Ryan with Grand Roofing, bringing you a quick video because it's been a week and I haven't done one. I apologize. I'm up here and figured I'll just do it from the phone because it might be could be valuable to you. So I'm on a house here that is either in a real estate transaction or had been a real estate transaction, don't quite know. I got called to look at putting some T-drip edge on it. I'm like really kind of confused here when I was talking to the person. First off, I've never heard of T-drip. At least I'm pretty sure, unless I've been wrong all my life, it's D-drip. Even though T resembles a little bit more like drip edge, it's D-drip. But I was told that the home inspection found that it needed edge metal. The point of the video, real estate transactions and home inspections. When a home inspector goes up on a roof, they may be well-rounded to look at various things, but not super deep into them. I've seen a lot of real estate transactions where home inspections miss a lot of crucial big things. I'm talking asbestos when it's right there in front of them. Bam, it's asbestos, and nope, didn't know it. Broken foundation at my house. I knew it going into it, but you got to have a qualified home inspector inspect the property if you want that back door out of the transaction or you lose your earnest money. Fine, you know, they do a good job. They can find stuff for the average homeowner, but when it comes to a big project like a roof, if the guy is unsure, I've seen some that aren't sure, and they just admit, hey, there's some things that are questionable, seek a qualified roofing contractor. Bingo, that's what you're looking for. Then call and contact a qualified contractor. Otherwise, you're going to miss things like this. This, I was told, again, I have not seen the report, was that they needed drip edge. It is multiple layers, obviously, you can see by all this. There's no drip edge on here. You can see some exposed decking. It looks like 3/8 plywood. Looks like whoever did this original roof that's up here, this first layer, took off edge metal, maybe didn't have it, I don't know, and then just continued to build it up. I see a big spot where somebody had done a repair, looks like it had been rotten. Part of the sag is not just rotted wood, but because the layers they had to remove to get down to fix whatever they did. Down there, about 20 to 30 feet on the bottom eave line, you can see there's some really roughed up shingles, really rough looking. And honestly, I'm not gonna figure time to put edge metal in there. It's not worth it. It needs a roof, in my opinion, or here soon. You'd have to like lift this and break this stuff up and get your edge metal in. Just not good. Any reputable contractor would be like, look, you got bigger problems, plan for a roof, then just throw some band-aids on it and call it good. Let's do a quick walkover of this real fast. A little bit of algae and moss and mildew, and a lot of this, it can be cleaned off. Not pressure wash, but soft wash with cleaner chemical. A lot of it is here because it's just so overgrown year-round with all the, well, not year-round, they're deciduous trees, but a lot of tree growth up here doesn't have a chance to really dry up in the sunlight because it doesn't have it. My phone is, my potato, I was told, is glitchy. Looks like another cobbled repair mess down there. Let's check this gable here real quick. Yep, another one, kind of same way, multiple layer. Looks like at least this fascia is up higher, so that's good. You know, honestly, right now, this is a better view. There's a bit of a drip hanging over. That's why you hang shingles over. You shouldn't really need the drip edge. You know, it's not worth going back later to shove drip edge in there, especially if that lip doesn't hang over enough to cover the drip edge. Whenever they do redo this, I would recommend planning on forking out some money to redeck it. It's 3/8 plywood. I know the neighborhood. 24-inch centers. By the time you remove all these layers of shingles where your weight is dispersed by the extra layers walking on it, that 3/8 is not going to hold a new roof system down very well. You risk it, the nails pulling out, wind blowing out, just crunching under your feet. There's no ventilation up here, no ridge vent, no box vents. I don't know if there's intake vents down the bottom edge. I'm going to look at something there. I just got my eye caught. Yeah, that does not look good. Flange popping up, nails, water running down these and getting in them, and this is stuff that I was told was not flagged as an issue, but they needed drip edge. Right here, seal's kind of gone. Big fiberglass showing. Tab missing, no starter under this layer. There's some rotted wood right here. Let's look back here. Something caught my eye. Yeah, there's no when they put this roof over, they didn't even put a starter on. Yeah, the old roof is good. It's the first layer of roof. The old layer of roof is so deteriorated now, right through this area, that water's probably getting in and rotting out the decking in these areas here. Yeah, that one's gone. I can see bare wood right there. Sorry for my old potato phone. It's actually a new Moto Z4, well, newer. It's glitchy. I don't know what the problem is. I need the GoPro, but it's hard to do that stuff, so I want to bring you a quick video. Back to the whole, ooh, spongy wood, home inspectors. I'm not hating on you. You guys do a good job for the people that don't know anything. My thing is don't act like you're a pro at everything, because when you do that and you say, oh, it needs drip edge, your roof is good. That's not good for your client, because they're going to be really surprised that you guys missed something bigger. If you're unsure, just say, hey, maybe seek a qualified contractor, somebody that does it every day, somebody that knows what they're looking for. Hell, there might even be things I missed. I'm doing a video for you. Speaking of, I apologize, it's been all week, no videos. My foot's healing a little better from that big jagged nail that went in my foot. The cat turned out to be really good, and it's getting adopted. The 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up here real soon. I've been really busy. I apologize. Trying to get everything done, caught up, so we can go into the winter and I can relax and enjoy time with my family and do some crypto trading and earn from home. Because I don't want to do this in the cold. If you are told you can get a roof put on in the cold, ask that roofer if he's going to do his roof in the cold. Wouldn't recommend it. Definitely not out in the county where it's windy, because it won't seal down. Shingles crack and snap, folding them into steep valleys. They're not going to seal. Not a good product. Manufacturers only recommend a certain time of the year, depending upon the region. Babbling. This will be a vloggy style video. I got to get busy. I got to get back to it. Just want to bring you a quick video. Home inspectors, especially if you're in my area. I don't know who did this. I'm not hating. Just say seek a qualified contractor. If it's HVAC, call an HVAC company. If it's a roof, call a roofer. If it's an electrical issue, call an electrician. Don't act like you know it all. I don't know it all. I mean, just, anyway, I hope the video helps you. Real estate transactions usually are not very fruitful for us. They don't go anywhere because the seller is wanting top dollar, not wanting to put anything in it. The buyer's wanting best price, and he's wanting to, it doesn't go anywhere. So contractors, if you get a lot of real estate transactions and they are good and pay off for you, then great. Me, it doesn't. Usually, I hate going on real estate transaction calls because they don't go anywhere. It's a waste of time. Except in this one, I get to make you a video, quick update on it. So 10,000 subscriber giveaway, going to kick off here real soon. Comment down below. Let me know if you got any good ideas. If you're in my region, it'll be a $100 Amazon gift card given to you by email. If you're overseas, because I have a lot of viewers in different countries, appreciate you. Love you all. Thank you. If I can't send an Amazon gift card to you in your country, I can send you some Bitcoin or some other like crypto. Let me know. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.